Welcome back, viewers. I'm Dipsirat Kaur and you're watching The Savera. A judiciary under the lens as the Supreme Court takes the first step towards transparency. The judiciary is often described as the guardian of our constitution. But what happens when questions arise about the guardians themselves? In a startling revelation, only 12% of High Court judges in India have declared their assets. This renewed debate on judicial transparency comes in the wake of a fire at Justice Varma's residence that revealed more than just smoke. Here's the update on the number of judges who opened up their sacks so far. A cloud of secrecy continues to hover over India's higher judiciary. Of the 769 judges currently serving in 25 high courts, only 95, that's just 12.35%, have declared their assets and liabilities. The push for disclosure gained momentum after a bizarre incident on March 14th, when a fire broke out in the storeroom of Justice Yashwant Varma's official residence in Delhi. What stunned investigators? Partially burnt currency notes found in the debris. The incident sparked outrage and calls for reform. And now, in a rare show of unity, all 33 Supreme Court judges, including Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna, have agreed to publicly declare their assets, with disclosures to go live soon after technical processes are completed. Among high courts, Kerala leads by example. 41 out of 44 judges have declared their assets. Himachal Pradesh follows with 11 of 12 judges on record. We've spoken of the goody-goody numbers so far, but the numbers drop down sharply elsewhere. Chhattisgarh, just 1 out of 16 judges. Madras High Court, 5 out of 65. Delhi High Court, the capital city, any guesses? Only 7 out of 38. In 2018, Delhi had 29 out of 35 judges disclose assets. So I must say, a sharp fall from grace. In August 2023, a parliamentary standing committee had already raised the red flag, saying, if MPs and MLAs must declare their assets, why not judges? The committee urged legislation to mandate annual disclosures, pointing out that civil servants, ministers, and the CAG already published their wealth statements. With the Supreme Court now taking the lead, eyes are on the high courts. The question remains, will this be the beginning of a real reform or just another headline that fades away with time? With trust in the judiciary at stake, transparency isn't just a principle, it's a necessity now. As the Supreme Court opens its books, it's time the rest follow suit. After all, in public service, shadows don't belong in the balance sheets. We'll end on that note, but you stay tuned as we'll keep updating you on these numbers and much more only at The Savera.